Hello ladies and gentlemen, so we're back playing Airsoft. It is still black truck down, brown truck down, I can't remember which of the two it was. I've swapped onto the other team. I'm a deserter, it's all my fault. But same thing, take the truck, hold the truck for 2 minutes, run away, hit the missile tube, and then exfiltrate to the safe house for 2 minutes, and that's the victory. In theory you can do this game in about 5 minutes. In practice it takes much longer. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you at the end.
You hit? Yeah. I'm gonna go around that way. You hit?
Yeah, got it.
Yep, I'm hit.
Sadly, I cannot impart some of the secrets about this game mode that Ross imparted to me. I'm just going to keep it a secret. Ha 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 ha. Though it was very helpful information.
I got hit once, yeah.
I'm just taking one.
Dude, if one of you can hide right underneath here. No, not underneath, but you know, behind. Yeah. And another behind that one there. We've got 30 seconds before reinforcements. Right, is he our team? Yeah, he is. Cool.
That's a reinforcement for the blue band.
Yeah, blue bands are reinforcements. Okay, well, we're in the game, Wait a second. Yeah, we're in the game, I can only take...
What's the refill rate?
Sorry, is that the same team?
How long do you have to wait?
Wait, is that guy friendly?
I don't know.
Don't shoot until you know. He's not.
No, he's not. No, Chris!
Shoot him!
Hey, Chris!
He's taking it. Blue.
On the left, behind that crate there.
They're blue, blues are friendly.
No, on the left, behind that crate there.
I can't see.
I can. Run me in the way!
We're gonna need to keep, you're gonna need to push forward. If you can get around this corner and just go around here.
Chris, follow me, in the window!
Go around this way. Don't fall back. Keep pushing forward. I need you to try around there.
Chris, move up!
You gotta keep pushing.
Follow me, Chris!
Hit! Ah, I've got one more.
Next one! And we've got friendlies going this family here.
Yes. Can you move forward and wipe them out over there? I've only got one more life left, guys.
Stay down!
Alright, I'll take a pew. I'll just have a seat here. What's the situation?
Not very many people left in there at all. Maybe a couple.
I can't get hit anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Understood.
It's okay. What we need is a big push around that side
On the right hand side?
wipe them out so I can get to this door.
Copy.
Bring it through.
What do you see? How many where?
Can't see any at the moment. One behind the column.
Yeah, what's your fire? You're shooting me!
It's alright.
Don't shoot from here. If you want to keep shooting, you need to move further forward.
Alright.
10 minutes, guys, 10 minutes. Clear this room! GoPros!
Your guys have more or less cleared this sort of
We've cleared
area.
this
It's just a double out and by the double doors. You guys need to start making a push for there.
Okay, that's fine. Cool, thanks very much. I've got one hit left.
Not me. That's not VIP.
I'm VIP.
Yeah. He's telling you that we're up to here, we're on that corner.
We've got that corner. We've got that corner, cool, no one else is coming in. We've got this corner, no one else is coming in. If you go forward and you can keep them suppressed, we can wipe them out here and I can keep moving.
Okay, that's all please
Switch sex.
Sorry?
You switch sex.
Yeah, they wanted me to VIP again. I think it's because I got a headset and radio.
Okay.
So. We need guys up there, we need guys in the corner. We need guys in that corner to keep shooting across into them. If you can wear them down on that corner, we can push through here much faster.
Which guys behind us?
Sorry? That corner, that doorway right there. Thanks.
3 guys go left and then go right.
You won't see anyone through there, you need to come to this side.
2 guys behind
You're safe, come on. 8 minutes guys, 8 minutes. What do you see? How many people are there?
Not too many.
Keep pushing on that corner. You've got to wipe them out, crossfire.
Behind the last pole. He won't get out.
Take a peek, how many are there, please?
One guy to the left. At least 3.
At least 3, okay.
Behind the last pole. Who will that be out with us?
Is that, wait. Is there anyone in that room?
Over where? We've got 3.
Oh no, I know we've got this corner. Is there anyone in the room right there?
No.
We've got this section, the other one.
Have we got this? Basically, we need to push through there. We need to push this side hard.
I'm going to move up.
Go through, see what you tell me what you see. Can I get through?
No.
Can I come?
No. There's 2 guys up that side. Get up there. Get them. Then comes down.
Keep pushing them forward.
Oh, drop again.
Push out, guys!
Come on, keep pushing. I can't get through unless they're suppressed.
Other side. They're never going to get it. It's just get out and fire it.
You got to keep pushing through this door. Oh, how many are there?
No, I just got 3 of them down by that phone for you.
Nice, thank you. Wait, you two. We got 6 minutes left. You need to move up into here, up into this area. If you can get behind that big... Get behind the crates! Wait, when you come round, can you try and get behind that big crate? That big... Thanks.
Right, who's out? Right, look. These guys,
On the left or on this one, the middle?
I need the one right beside the room where the doorway is. Okay. If you can get behind there and start just shooting. Thanks. Is this safe? Alex?
No!
Not safe? Oh, well, your marker's going to come off. This side here. Yeah, this is, it's coming off.
Okay.
Here you go. 5 minutes, guys! We need a hard push! We just got wiped out. Fuck. Okay, I have an idea. When all of you guys go to that corner, all of a sudden, yeah, just start yelling and run through. Doesn't matter if you get hit, I'll try and get through. But all go at once. It's really important. Just go, all of you go. I'll run through here. Wait, is that them in there? Is that them in the doorway? Or is that friendly? Ross, are those friendlies in the double door? I can't hear that, sorry man. Are those friendlies? Right guys, I've hit the tube, I hit the tube.
Right, and that is the end of the second Brown Truck Down game. Both victories for both teams. I feel like this game had a lot more drama, although it did have a lot more waiting time in it. Mostly when I was waiting for the team to clear out that initial room with the truck in, so we could advance on to hit the missile tubes and then exfiltrate. But I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed these two games especially. I like objective-based gameplay. Team deathmatch and capture the flag and stuff like that is fun and all, but I think stuff like this where you've got to either stop a team or try to complete objectives is where something like Airsoft really comes into its own. I mean, you can just keep doing it, you know, it's not like you're gonna die or anything bad. I don't know, I really enjoy that. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment, rate the video please if you would, and subscribe for more. I'm coming again this Saturday, so bye.